Alright, here we are. We found some frozen water. We're gonna see if we can get on it. It is early ice, so we want to be cautious. I'm wearing my float suit, and we're gonna spud our way out. Get yourself a good spud bar. Also invest in float suit. Could save your life. Alright, that's what we're working with. So, that right there is good solid ice. And you got that honeycomb slush on the top. That is good ice there though. I'm going to drill some holes. And this is why you use your spud bar. So that's, close to 2 inches right there. I'll walk on this. So I went 2 more steps out and I was going through in one hit. You don't want to walk on that. See, that's safe. I'll walk here. That almost went through. I don't know. I think it needs a couple more days. So better be safe.